Okay, so now that you've subscribed to a signal package, the next step is to make sure that you do receive the signals whenever they are sent. So the first one is signals being sent to your email address. So automatically signals will be sent to email address. You cannot change that. But for signals to be sent to your Telegram account, you need to do two things. Okay, the first thing you have to do is simply go to your account and click on profile. So on profile, you can add in your profile picture if you like to. If you don't want, leave it the way it is. Okay, so all you have to do is make sure that your phone number is correct. Okay, so the most important part is entering your Telegram username over here. So for example, me, my personal Telegram username is KeithZM. Then click on update profile. Okay, so this is the first step of receiving signals on your Telegram account directly. So the second step is to open your Telegram account. Okay, so when you open a Telegram account, okay, you're going to have to subscribe to the Millionaires ABCs Telegram bot. So the Telegram bot link is going to be provided when you purchase a Signal subscription. So the reason why I'm not showing you that here in this video is because to prevent other people from trying to play around with the bot and try to get free access. But otherwise, the bot can only send signals to the username you set on here. So you can't enter more than one username. And even if you share the bot to someone, as long as they do not have an account, okay, as long as they do not have an account and they do not subscribe to a package, they can never receive the signals. So whatever you can think of, like trying to think ahead, it's not going to work. Okay, so you're going to be guided on how you can subscribe to the Telegram bot to be able to receive Telegram notifications about the signals. So for the phone number, if you'd like to receive signals via SMS, if you have subscribed to the other package which has got SMS capabilities. Okay, so the other way you can make sure that you're receiving signals, you can simply click on signal history. So on signal history, that's when you're going to see some past signals which have been sent and the time they were sent and everything else you need to know. Okay, so this is it about today's video, which was about how you can make sure that you receive our signals.